Jotan sirikal jokedne ratich oganda kod mine gi chuo makedo ne weche mag lwenje mag kit chwech e alwora mar Afrika oromo e boma ma Nairobi mar riwo wigi kamoro achiel kendo twak mar yudo yore mag tieko chutho lwenje ma kamago. Tok romo madhi kawo ndalo ariyo, jokanyo ogeno ni dhi loso chenro makare kaka inyalo nywak yawuoyi kod chuo e yo makare mar konyo e tieko nek mag mine kendo sirogi e neno ne gin kod arita makare. Chenro makamano ka olosi igeno ni ibiro ti godo e pinje 9 e konyo weche makedo gi lwenje mag kit chwech e alwora mar Afrika.
When I talk about meaningful engagement, we are not talking about men taking space for girls or women, but we are talking about the power, because we know that men still hold power and patriarchy is still real in our societies. We are looking up for them to use the same power they have to ensure that women, girls, and everyone in the society is protected.
We do know that our constitution guarantees equality. And society has moved on to empower both men and women, young men and women. They are both empowered. And therefore, that is shifting the power dynamics. And if we do not involve both men and women, young men and women, into a conversation that makes us understand the shifting dynamics of power in society, then we shall continue to have this misunderstanding.
So we are shifting from just seeing boys and men as just perpetrators, because you realize the moment you see them as perpetrators, you tend to segregate them, exclude them in the initiatives that we are taking towards gender equality. But our shift is allowing us to see them as allies. We are seeing them as critical players towards realizing gender equality.